welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm cooking with the Pizza Party Ardore pizza oven. We're going to be cooking an olive mozzarella pizza, and I'm also going to be using the Pizza Party turning and launch peels. So let's go make the pizza. So I'm launching the pizza with the Pizza Party peel, and it's called the Essenza. So I've not used my wooden peel. So you put your pizza, once you've made it, onto this peel, and then you launch it in the oven. So it's the launch peel, so all the flours you can see falls out before you launch, so it doesn't go into the oven. So I've got my other peel ready, also the Essenza range. And this one is for turning the pizza. So I'm just going to use this now to launch into the oven, and the other one to turn the pizza. Let's put it in. So you keep the peel away from the heat of the oven when you're not turning it, and just use it to turn when you're ready to turn. These were gifted to me kindly by Pizza Party to use with the oven. They've designed them to fit the oven. So thank you, Pizza Party. One thing I love about pizza peels, they must be very light to use, and this one is so light. There's nothing worse than a heavy peel when you're turning, for me personally. Just check, see how this is cooking. The dimensions and the weight are here. Done. This is a lovely pizza. I haven't made an olive pizza for a really long time, and I love it. Not with too many olives, just a few. Gorgeous crust taste, and I'm very impressed with the Pizza Party pizza peels. They are very lightweight. I really do think that when you do get a pizza peel, the manufacturers make them to the size of the oven, so it's really handy. So I enjoyed using them, and I'm not that great at launching with metal, but that worked for me. That's why I normally use wood. But this one worked fine, so I'm very happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this vid. Take care. See you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.